from Aston Villa, and we're proud to let you know that we played our way to Wembley for the cup. Against the odds we made it, but you ain't seen nothing yet, and it's gonna be a day we won't forget.
Come on, you Villa, joyful and triumphant. Oh, come on, you Villa, let's win today. Sing all together, we love you forever. Oh, Paul, we adore you. Oh, Steve, we adore you. And Brian, we bestow to today.
It's a question of believing, and it's all a state of mind. If we tell ourselves we win, that's what we'll do. If we all stand firm together, we can make it all the way. So let's get behind the lads and sing today.
Come